Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga-Texas construction update video. Another busy day all over the site. We'll start off at the demolition work that's continuing at the old bag plant with a huge dirt pile, which we'll discuss, and we'll look at a few other highlights from around Giga-Texas today. Starting off at the old bag plant, demolition work is continuing and a lot of changes. You can see in photos 1, 2, and 3 this large dirt pile that has been erected and the machines going up on top of it. And photo number 4 shows an overview of that same area. Here, photo number 1 shows you that the concrete is being prepared for removal by coring out holes all over the area, and you can see that with the arrows. And the question is why is there a dirt pile here? Well, there's a couple of options. One is the machinery and the equipment that they have is not tall enough to reach the top of the tower, so they need the dirt pile to get up there. And the other option is that it may provide a safe and soft landing area for the tower if they decide to cut or remove 2 of the legs and let it fall over, and then they can continue demolition from that point. I'll keep watching what they do, and we should know fairly soon. Moving to other areas of the drone flight today, photos 1 and 2 show the south end of the future expansion area and the openings now on both the top and the ground floor. Photo 3 shows some more excavation work in that southwest corner of the building, and photo 4 shows the continued progress on the solar panels on the roof. Further south of the pond, photo 1 shows where the steel is being staged for future construction. Photos 2 and 3 show a growing number of the Model Ys. I actually saw several Model Ys in succession leaving the factory, and so that's a good sign. Photo 4 shows where they're putting more of the electrical conduit on that southwest side, and then the southeast side we see more of the horizontal drilling. Moving to the east side of the body in white structure, photo 1 shows that secondary entrance is really getting framed in now and getting painted on the columns. We should see some glass installed soon. Photo 2 shows that overall view with the parallel roads and that temporary loading platform. And photo 3 just shows where they're stockpiling more of the sewage water pipes. At the stamping machine structure, we see a lot of big deliveries today. Photo 1 shows you with the arrows some on the southeast corner. Photo 2 shows you many of the large items. Some are the steel racking, some are large equipment, and the large gantry crane to lift it all. And photo 3 just shows you an overview of that entire area. Back to the east parking lot, photos 1 and 2 show some more of that stormwater pipe installation, getting ready for concrete with the forms, and also photo 2 shows where an expanded supercharger station may be installed. Photo 3 is on the western half of it, and they're pouring concrete over the stormwater pipe on that section. And the final highlighted area is the battery cathode foundation. Photo 1 shows the overview of how that appears today. Photo 2 shows that GeoPier work has resumed. So as I mentioned, I'll be continuing to monitor that, and it looks like more GeoPier work in the future. And photo 3 just shows more stockpiled steel parts. So there you have it, a few of the highlighted areas around the site today, including the ongoing demolition work at the old bag plant on the north end, and other key highlights from around the site today. I hope that this discussion and narration is helpful in putting into context what you'll see in the video, which is coming right up. A special thank you to all of my outstanding Patreons for your continued encouragement and support. Patreon members get access to hundreds of high-resolution photos, previews of the future material, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps as well. Thank you. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga-Texas.